All right, WMC, this is the video to find our 3 mini winners for the winner's choice. So we'll check the time November 16th at 8:56 a.m. We're going to go over to the mini and type live. We have November 16th at 8:56 a.m. There is the list of our 28 mini entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top 3 after the final roll will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. 8 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. Looking for the top 3. It is Matt, Brandon, and Scott. So, Matt, you will have your first pick of, I believe it was 7. Yep, 7. And then Brandon, you'll get 4, and then Scott, you get the remaining 2. So there is our verification code, our timestamp once again, November 16th, 8:57 a.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.